Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings to everybody, guys. Let's update our view on the gold market. So on the gold market, it's a very interesting situation right now, especially on the short-term charts. It's a bit risky, but it looks really fascinating. So on the daily, since market's still calling around the major targets in 1235, 1240 area, is another spike up, could tell us probably that market is not ready to upward continuation. It's probably deeper retracement could happen. But actually, guys, everything stands not as simple as it seems on the daily chart. Within the 2 days, today and tomorrow, guys, we will get important events. So today it will be European Central Bank meeting, but what's more important for gold is tomorrow we will get the gross domestic product for the third quarter. And situation on the gold market changes very fast within day by day. So only yesterday we have the big rally up. And today we have the collapse up from the top around 1238. And this tendency could continue. But overall background, guys, right now is supportive for the gold. Why? First of all, it's based on the sentiment that we have announced in the weekend. This commitment of traders report suggests a big shift in the sentiment of the investors in the bullish side. Second, the stock markets right now, guys, stands under pressure. So we said in the beginning of the year, even in January, on the example of the DAX and NASDAQ indexes, that the time of the stock market is over. This will be the break-even point, I suppose, the 2018. This will be the break-even point, and we already see the signs of that. So the collapses on the stock market has become oftener. And yesterday, the Nasdaq has dropped to 5%. Netflix has dropped to almost 10%. So on the same tendency we see it across the board on the stocks 50 and German DAX is following the same tendency. So it's approximately day by day with the small pauses. Market drops with a 3-4%. So it's really big drop, and it's not just some minor retracements. And for the gold market, this is the supportive and looks supportive. That's why I think that currently on the gold market, the sharp drops could be changed by the fast upside rallies. And we should be ready for any unexpected and a bit curious maybe setups that we could get within the couple of months, probably on the gold market. For example, I will show you on the shorter term time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, you see that market holds very well above the previous tops. We said while market will stand above the tops, we will not think about the deeper retracement. Although potentially we could recognize the hand shoulders here, right? But to be formed, market needs to drop first back to the 1218 to create the neckline. And then some pullback should be to the 1230, and then only after that the continuation to the 1210, 1208 area, retesting of this long-term trend line, right? But currently, as you can see, market stands very well above the previous tops, and it means that some bullish potential, that somebody holds gold market tight to the previous targets, and this looks bullish. Also take a look that recently we've got the bullish grabber here. It suggests the taking out of this top, and also within the few hours we could get another grabber if market will close above the MACD predictor that also will suggest the taking out of this top. Well, it means that although we have the big collapse here, and it's not really very comfortable to take the long position with this collapse on the back, so maybe market will proceed lower. Yes, this is possible. This is factor of risk, but potentially, since we have the grabbers and the market stands tight above the support area, we could get the butterfly here, guys. So market could turn up. This could become the left wing of the butterfly, right? This will become the right wing. The market could continue move higher and taking out of this top and complete this minor targets. Because with the fundamental events on the background, it really could happen. While I'm also interested with this situation, because if you will take a look on the hourly chart, you will see that with this drop, yes, this very sharp up or downside acceleration, very strong action. But take a look here, market right now stands in agreement, 1230. This is ABC top COP target and 618 support of the whole upward action. And here, guys, we have a kind of the bread and butter trade. So take a look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles to the upside. Here is reversal candle. It has the continuation. The market hits within the 2 close below 3 by 3 major fib support. Yes, it looks a bit ultimate and risky because with this just collapse, and it's psychologically very difficult trying to take the long position on this background. And I don't call you to do this, actually. If you feel some interesting with this setup, you could try maybe trying to take the long position around this area. If not, it's better to skip it because yesterday I said that let's wait for a couple of sessions, let's wait for release of important data, and then we will see what to expect next on the gold market. But currently, guys, on the gold market, I see only this setup. So on others, I don't see something else for trading today. That's why in the short-term video, in the daily video, I talk about the setups that we have right now in place. So think about it and decide by yourself. Would you like to take the position here or not? But if you will do, maybe it makes sense to just open the small position, not your regular trading volume, not your regular trading position, but half of the regular or even smaller, maybe 30%. Because setup is a bit tricky, but particularly by this reason, it's very interesting. So let's see what we'll get on the gold market and be ready for significant volatility within the 2 sessions till the end of the week.